So we've got some amazing year 5 and 6 students, is that right?
Yeah.
And they've come down from room 8 and they've come down to celebrate their learning. But I just thought I'd ask them some quick questions about what's been going on in maths at St Dominic's. So the first question I want to ask them is around the think sheets. So Elise, can you take me through what a think sheet is?
It's like the sheet that you brainstorm on.
And does that help you learn?
Yes.
In what way?
It helps you by thinking about what you're going to do.
Okay. And do you do that by yourself or with friends?
With friends.
Okay, thank you very much. And Harriet, we're to talk about the differences in maths. Can you explain some of the differences?
Yes, so when I was in year 3, found we did something called basic facts quickly in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And I found it quite stressful because if you were you felt like you were under pressure. So if you got something wrong, it was considered bad or a bit bad or
Not so
considered bad or
okay, yeah, not so
Yeah.
good, yeah.
yeah.
And so, what about if you didn't get them all right? Tell me about that. How did you feel?
Felt a bit stupid and that you needed to practice even though you had been practicing and your teacher was trying to help you, but you did know it, but you just...
That was a bit stressful.
Yeah.
Okay. And Aubrey, let's ask about friendship. So, why is it important that when we're in maths time, we get times with friends? Do you think?
You can share ideas with them, and they might have a different idea to you.
Do you find it personally useful to work with other people?
Yes.
And can you tell me a little bit about, do you work with friends all the time in your class, or sometimes you do friends and sometimes you do just by yourself learning?
In the middle, but if you're stuck, some people can help you.
Okay, great. And Meval, we're going to talk about, we've done think sheets. What else could we ask you about? Reflections, because you've come down to share a reflection. Tell me about why reflections are important.
Reflections are like when it helps you remember something. So a long time. So when you've written something in year 4 and you came back to it, you read it and how you understand it. So you couldn't remember what you did when you were in year 4, and then you thought, what did I do? And then there's like a reflection in your book. And when you read it, you remember. Now you know how you worked it out.
Okay, it's a good idea. Do you do reflections often in room 8?
Yeah, often if we have a think board.
Okay, great, very good. And does everybody get a chance to share their reflections with friends?
Yeah, that we share it so if we have a group and one group shares it to the big group.
Okay.
And then we share our ideas every time we have a reflection.
Okay. So do you all think that you are feeling success in mathematics?
Yes.
Great. I'm so happy. That's tremendous. Well done, girls.